Alright, I'm gonna do an unboxing today. I don't know if you can see that, but CCS. So yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so proactive catalog. Receipt. And I got Mickey SB and the Stefan Janoski. So really cool. Alright, so take this out. Here's the shoe. Looks a lot. It's just a mix between Vans and the Sperry Boat shoe. They have the white laces on them, and then comes with black laces as well. Alright, so I guess I'll just slip one of these on. Pretty nice. Yes, I'll just do that. So, yeah. Right there. So yeah, I'll just give you guys a closer look. Yes. So the dark red color. It's a plaid inside. Like SB, leather laces, nice sole. So yeah, there's both those, and I picked them up for a good price. Normally $75, and they only ended up being like $65 shipped. So yeah, Janoski's.